calibration of steering system in GOtrack AutoDrive system. This is the automatic process, and to start this automatic process after installation in the system, first we have to wait for the RTK status. So when RTK status is here ready, now go to menu, go to GPS, go to receiver settings, go to antenna orientation, and please fill in those values here properly. So the most important values are settings are antenna's installation height, antenna to rear axle distance, baseline length. Standard baseline length is 1 meter, but some tractors are delivered with shorter antenna baseline, and also antenna orientation. When you finish with this, press save and go back, go to GOtrack GPS, go to system configuration, go to steering system, algorithm calibration, and you can enter here auto calibration statistics, and here it shows you the calibration points where the calibration was already automatically done. As you can see, almost zero is here, only some bars here, so some measurements were done here, but we don't have most important measurements, which are stride, and some on the left and some on the right. So we go back here, we go to the auto calibration. Here are some settings. These are default settings, don't change them. It is most important thing is that it is here active. Go back to this menu and press calibration type. You have to select auto calibration. If there are some calibration statistics already here and you are unsure, you can clear the calibration, so you will clear this one. Reset, yes, and we check. Now we have nothing, so we can start calibration process. Actually, we can stay on this screen, so we will see how measurements appear on the screen. So to start, let's start with maximum right turn and making few circles driving right. So maximum right, and we drive. It can be maximum or a little bit less than maximum. It's just for the beginning. You see some first measurements are here. At the moment, some other measurements. Okay, so we have for the beginning it's enough. Now we will drive left, so we drive left, maximum left, there are some measurements. Drive straight forward, but for that we need a longer distance, at least 25 meters. More is better, so we drive straight. So this red bar is nearly to zero. You will see, I don't know if it's enough here. I have to turn back. Yes, we have some first readings on close to zero, again, close to zero. Okay. It looks like we have some basic calibration. The rest of the calibration will be done automatically when tractor is driving autonomously, so this screen will fill in automatically, and this number, right now we have 8%, it means that calibration done is in 8% of the points, but don't care about this. The most important thing is that calibration is done in the middle, in maximum left and maximum right. These are the most important. The rest will be filled in automatically. So now we go to the main screen. We choose some route. And we can check if everything works fine. Okay, so we put the tractor on the track. Press this one and we drive. It's not precise yet, but I expect next run will be much better, because it will collect more data about the calibration. Quite okay. Yeah, it's really nice. And as you can see, right turn is much better now. Stop. It's okay. Before making a calibration, remember first to calibrate angle sensor. This is very important thing to first to make the calibration of the angle sensor, because otherwise, if you make auto calibration first and then you change the calibration of angle sensor, then this calibration is not valid anymore and it will not work.